Hi, my name's Eric. I work for Vancouver Bike Share as a planning manager, and we are the operator of Mobi by Rogers. So we're the bike share system here in Vancouver, BC, with 250 stations and 1,500 bikes all around the city. We've been working with MJR since around 2022, maybe 2021, when we decided to electrify our fleet and bring e-bikes into our system. As you know, Vancouver is very hilly, and having a little extra juice really helps you get up those hills and opens up bikes for everyone. We had a problem when we first started, though. Our supplier is European, so a lot of European standards. Quinn at MJR was fantastic at finding us the people to help us put this equipment in. I'm not super great with power and electricity. Quinn was able to walk me through the issues we had and help us find solutions. So to do that, we built a conversion box that sits in between our station and the power coming from the city or from the buildings we're at. Helped design it, and then helped our teams install these stations. So as of now, we have 25 of these charging stations. We've gone through a lot together, and super happy to work with MJR on all of this project.